You may score high marks in law college, know sections by heart, and quote landmark judgments. But the first day you enter a courtroom, you realize this is a completely different world. Today on Nyay Path, we are discussing a reality every law student faces sooner or later. The gap between law college theory and real courtroom practice. If you are a law student, intern, or a first generation lawyer, this video is especially for you. Law colleges do an excellent job at teaching legal theory. However, courts demand legal application. Many students feel confident in exam but confused in courts, unsure how to draft, argue, or handle clients. This leads to frustration and self-doubt. In this video, we will cover what law college actually teaches, what courts actually expect, real-life practical differences, common mistakes students make, and most importantly, how to bridge this gap effectively. Stay till the end because I will also tell you how books and continuous learning can help you grow not only as a lawyer but as a person. In law college, the focus is on bare acts, legal principles, case laws, doctrines and jurisprudence. This theoretical foundation is essential. It helps you understand the structure of law, develop legal reasoning, pass examination, learn how courts should work in principle. This actually makes a foundation strong. For example, you study Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, its ingredients and landmark judgments. But law college rarely teaches how to draft a legal notice properly, what practical mistakes causes dismissal, how courts interpret facts differently from textbooks. Theory builds knowledge, not confidence. And that difference becomes visible in court. Courtrooms are not structured like textbooks. In real practice, clients come with incomplete information. Documents are missing or inconsistent. Witnesses are uncooperative. Judges are pressed for time. Procedural compliance is strict. This is real law. In college, problems are clean and hypothetical. In court, problems are messy and human. It is basically books versus people, theory versus reality. For example, a civil suit looks perfect on paper, but in court, limitation may already be over, proper parties may not be joined, court fees may be incorrect, and suddenly your strong case collapses. This is where students realize knowing the law is different from using the law. Consider a simple contract dispute. College approach. Identify relevant sections of the Contract Act. Draft a clean plaint. Assume facts are correct. Court approach. Verify facts independently. Check limitation first. Examine evidence availability. Anticipate the opponent's defense. Decide whether litigation is even advisable. In practice, a good lawyer sometimes advises not to file a case at all. This decision-making skill is never taught in exams. It is learned through exposure. Common mistake every law students make. Believing marks equal competence. Ignoring procedural law. Avoiding court observation. Underestimating client communication. thinking drafting is secondary. But in reality, drafting decides cases. Procedure decides fate. Communication builds trust. A brilliant student can fail as a lawyer if these skills are missing. But the question is, how do you bridge this gap? Stay with me. Let's talk about the solution. How to bridge the gap? Step number 1. Court observation. Regularly attend courts. Observe how judges question lawyers, how arguments are structured, how cases move from filing to final order. Courts are live classrooms. Step number 2. Internships and mentorships. Internships are not formalities. They are classrooms. Choose internships where you can sit in court, draft real documents, attend hearing, attend client meetings, learn from senior. Mentorship matters. Mentorship from seniors teaches what books cannot. Step number 3. Drafting practice. Drafting is the backbone of litigation. Practice notices, plaints, written statements, applications, etc. Compare your drafts with real case files. Number 4. Client counseling. Lawyers deal with people, not just law. Learn to ask the right questions. Manage expectations. Explain law in simple language. Clear your communication skills. A good lawyer translates law into reality. Law is all about people. Step number 5. Mock trials and workshops. Participate actively. They help you speak confidently, handle objections, think on your feet. Confidence is built before the courtroom, not inside it. Step number 6. Reading practical and growth-oriented books. Beyond textbooks, read practical commentaries, case laws analysis, books on mindset, ethics, and growth. At Nyay Path, we will soon review essential legal books, books for personal growth and professional discipline. Because a successful lawyer needs clarity of law and clarity of mind. What do you learn from this video? Law colleges and law courts are not opposites. They are complementary. College gives you foundation, court gives you application. Continuous learning gives you growth. The real journey begins when theory meets reality. If you are a law student or young lawyer, comment yes if you felt this theory practice gap. Comment learning if you are trying to bridge it. Subscribe to Nyay Path for practical legal insights, courtroom realities, book reviews for legal and personal growth. न्याय पाथ, लॉ समझने का सही रास्ता. लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.